How to delete all text messages on Android at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to delete all the text messages on Android at once, first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of apps. So tap on apps. Then select on manage apps and as you do that, simply tap on the search bar. Search for messages application over here, and as you search for the application it will pop up over here at the bottom. So let's search for messages application and then tap on it. As you do that, here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, so tap on it. Here you have two options, to clear all data and clear cache. So if you want to delete all the text messages, simply tap on clear all data and then you'll be able to delete all the text messages that you have on your Android at once. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.